Hola! Your dream vacation to Thailand starts from 19,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
I sang one song which Karan penned down for me for the शादी and इसने मुझे बोला गाना गा और मैंने आपको ये पिछले इंटरव्यू में बोला है और मैंने कहा मेरी आवाज सुन के वहाँ पे जो भी आए होंगे सब चले जाएंगे अपने अपने दिल्ली यहाँ वहाँ। हमने एक बार मेरे घर पे बैठ के हमने गाना रिकॉर्ड किया कहानी सुनो जो मेरा रेंडिशन है और वो अगर आप आज भी सुनोगे वो वीडियो आप देखोगे और यू विल से चलो इंटरव्यू अभी पैकअप करते हैं निकलते हैं। मैंने इतना गंदा गाया आई स्वेयर। फॉर माय वेडिंग आल्सो देयर वर cases where like I said that I didn't want to spend any money on the outfit because मुझे पता है उसको मैं यूज नहीं करूंगी बाद में वापस राइट। तो मुझे if I wanted to associate with some bigger designers possible ही नहीं था। लोग जुड़ते गए, कुणाल जुड़ गया, कुणाल and these are people who have just collaboratively come together। I have not मेरी उतनी औकात नहीं है ना हैसियत है मैं किसी को पैसे दूं।
They are out and out in the meeting saying that no TV actor, no TV director, no TV cameraman, no TV, no on any front.
Now you are on Masi duty, but
So,
do you feel like
no, I
you
have
will...
no time otherwise, na? No time to. He looks into my eye. I'm hoping he'll say something romantic. It turns out to be उसका हमने वो पैसा क्लियर करना है। Somebody cheated on me. It's happened to me. Yeah, I was young. I was in college.
Same.
And this happened to him also. By the way, he was in London.
Yeah. So then I have to ask.
Mine was international cheating.
Listen, I'm not gonna give any introduction today because I think any which way I'm told that I am over friendly, but today I will say that these are all friends sitting with me. What to introduce them as? But friends. Well, आपका जो नया
हम आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करें क्या नयनदीप?
हाँ जी कीजिए ना थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा मुझे।
But
नयनदीप
first thing I want to say is you're looking absolutely dashing.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Please send रिश्ताज, you can DM me or
भाई अपने आप का ये इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं वो दे रहा है क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
मैट्रिमोनियल है।
Exactly. हाँ।
बट ये जो आपने गाना मतलब किया है, you know when
जिसपे हम वेट कर रहे हैं कि नयनदीप जब रील बनाएगा उस पे मोहर लग जाएगी कि ये गाना सुपर हिट।
Can I tell you something?
Yes, tell
He had called me one morning,
Okay.
and the worst is that he says, "Nayan, will you please?" And I get really angry when friends say, "Please." सुरभि मुझे कभी please नहीं बोलती।
क्यों
मुझे कब कर रहा है? अभी कर। And then I told him, he's like, you know, this is the song, and how can we do it? And I was suggesting him the same things that you were saying.
Yeah.
But you know, I watched the song. Everybody, if you go to the comment section, of course, everybody will feel that I am biased and other people who were there at the screening were biased because they are your loved ones, right?
Right.
But if you see the comments, they are not biased.
वो
They're
तो बारिश
coming...
हुई नहीं होंगी
Exactly.
नहीं। हाँ.
How has the response been? How are you taking in all the response to your music?
But what do you think it is? How do you think the song has turned out to be as somebody who are first time producers like Karan and I this whole idea generated out of nowhere. I sang one song which Karan penned down for me for the शादी and इसने मुझे बोला गाना गा और मैंने आपको ये पिछले इंटरव्यू में बोला है और मैंने कहा मेरी आवाज सुन के वहाँ पे जो भी आए होंगे सब चले जाएंगे अपने अपने दिल्ली यहाँ वहाँ। तो करण ने कहा कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा। तो हमने एक बार मेरे घर पे बैठ के हमने गाना रिकॉर्ड किया कहानी सुनो जो मेरा रेंडिशन है और वो अगर आप आज भी सुनोगे वो वीडियो आप देखोगे और यू विल से चलो इंटरव्यू अभी पैकअप करते हैं निकलते हैं। मैंने इतना गंदा गाया आई स्वेयर। And Karan said there is maybe a slight possibility that you might sound nicer if I book a studio. मैंने कहा पैसे की बात मत कर शादी में ऑलरेडी बहुत खर्चा हो चुका है। तो इसने स्टूडियो बुक किया। He made me sing that थोड़ा सा ऑटो ट्यून तो किया। देखो करना पड़ता है बिकॉज मैं थोड़ी ना सिंगर हुई तो मैंने अपने पति के लिए गाया।
How nice you are accepting it. Most people are doing it.
नहीं मैं किया क्योंकि करण ने कहा कि इसको और थोड़ा सा अच्छा सुनने के लिए when you walk the stage you come to me and stuff. I don't know, it just and the whole expression of whatever happened on that stage नहीं जो भी ramp और क्या होता है I'll sorry I'll मैं भूल गया मैं actor
हो गया 5 महीने
Approach road बोल रहा था।
approach road towards Karan
Approach road
हाँ approach road towards Karan। तो तब तो ऐसा हुआ कि और थोड़ा बहुत किया क्योंकि मैं एक्टर हूँ यार मुझे गाना शौक है। I love singing तुम लोग सालों हंसो मत ठीक है and I love singing but तो थोड़ा सा उसको ट्यूनिंग किया
Someone do they love listening? You might love singing.
My song got
It got hit. It was fantastic.
तो अभी खाली चार खाई और
कुणाल ने पहले ही बोल दिया it got hit पहले आ रहा है
Before I get hit, the song got hit.
before you get hit the song got hit So then the
But
idea-
मुझे एक चीज जानना है, but इतना जो हिट हुआ अभी, I know that
Yeah.
you're like my sister and I
Yeah.
should actually support you. But फिर ये वाला गाना आपने उनसे क्यों नहीं गवाया?
नहीं मतलब यही करती रहूं मैं, प्रोड्यूसर भी बन जाती हूँ, सिंगर भी बनती हूँ और फिर एक्टिंग भी करती हूँ, तो बेसिकली फिर मैं घर वर छोड़ देती हूँ, घर का काम कौन करेगा?
घर का
मैनेज द हाउस
So
आल्सो।
making it sound like तुम उसको झाड़ू
My
बजा रहे हो।
goodness.
goodness, you are doing none of it.
Yeah.
What? Karan, who decides the अगले दिन का breakfast?
Decision maker.
Decides बनाने-
Decision maker is her.
Yeah.
बनाने वाला?
बनाने वाला
I have
we
a
have
help.
helpers.
But I
No,
have to guide her, na? I have to give her Instagram पे recipes, Instagram recipe, YouTube recipes. I have to monitor everything. I have to see all the cleanliness. Anyway, this is never ending. This is
But you know Nandam,
Job of a
ever
wife
since
and
you
all.
got married, I will only
Sounds
just
like a job
say
of a
something that जो जीजाजी बोलेंगे वो मैं करूँगा.
मुझे
So-
पता है, मुझे पता है. मेरी सारी loyalties इस तरफ है, तो अभी तो चुप रहे और तू मेरी बात सुन रहे. Okay, so coming back to that, this idea is generated that we must open a label. And very randomly, Karan comes, so what do you want to name it? I said, I don't know, the music should be feel good music, you know, you should feel good when you
Yeah.
listen to the music. I said, name it Feel Good Originals. He didn't even take 1 minute, he registered the
Yeah.
name, he told the team to get it registered. We put the Kahani Suno, he edited the whole wedding clips and made the video out of it.
Wow.
इन्होंने घर पे बैठ के बच्चों के साथ जो इनकी टीम है, these are all
And a
young
great
kids.
team.
हाँ, young kids.
Great team.
These are the kids who also kids क्या बोलती हूँ now they're
Adults.
Young
adults,
Yeah,
young
yeah.
adults. They also planned the wedding. I had no planner, like I said, no planner in the wedding. So now production also they are only running. This is a set of amazing. उनको कोई खींच के लेके नहीं जाएगा. मैंने बड़ी मुश्किल से मैं उनको nurture कर रही हूँ. It's very difficult to nurture your own staff.
No, but they are very happy. Let me tell you that I met them that day,
Yeah.
and I met the 4 people who have actually sung the song
Yeah,
also and
Ji,
Kavya
ji,
created
Preeti,
it.
ji,
Yeah.
ji.
And honestly
Naman.
speaking, yeah, I feel like they are really good kids and they value you guys as much as you guys value them.
Absolutely.
And वही होता है ना, इज्जत और वैल्यू जहाँ पे मिलता है ना, वो लोग अक्सर टिक ही जाते हैं वहाँ पे.
So idea वही होता है कि आपको ना नए टैलेंट को टैप करना है, उनसे अच्छी चीजें निकलवानी है.
But also give them the freedom
Yeah.
कि उनको creatively क्या करना है, so you let them be. जहाँ वो लोग एकदम कहीं off track जा रहे हैं, then you tell them. Otherwise you give them complete freedom because that's what kids want nowadays.
Yeah.
उनको ये नहीं चाहिए कि कोई सर पे बैठे and instruct करे,
हमें
dictate
नहीं
करे.
पसंद कोई
Yeah,
हमारे
but that is also it's also in them. They are very seeking.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
want to become
Learn.
better
Yeah,
every
absolutely.
day. Like
Exactly.
they want to be a better version than what they were yesterday also.
पता
But
है?
the good thing is that they understand this, that music as an art form, any form of art
Ji.
has to be collaborative in nature. So when
Ji,
you're giving
ji.
feedback, of course it will get better. Like everybody's
Absolutely,
feedback
yeah.
will be different on
yes.
on anything.
So exactly. तो ये हुआ कि हमने फिर उनको काफी ट्रेन किया है. उन्होंने हमें कुछ चीजें सिखाई म्यूजिक की. करण को कहाँ
Yeah.
नॉलेज है, मुझे कहाँ नॉलेज है. फिर हमने कहा चलो यार प्रोडक्शन खोलते हैं, लेबल खोलते हैं. एवरीथिंग जस्ट नैन कभी कभार ना आपके साथ ना ऊपर वाला होता है या एंजल्स आर गाइडिंग यू. लोग जुड़ते गए. कुणाल जुड़ गया. कुणाल एंड दीज आर पीपल हु हैव जस्ट कोलैबोरेटिवली कम टुगेदर. आई हैव नॉट मेरी उतनी औकात नहीं है, ना हैसियत है मैं किसी को पैसे दूं. मैं सच
Yeah.
बता रही हूँ. मेरा बस चलता तो मैं फ्री की शादी भी करती हूँ और इसमें कोई बुरी नहीं है बिकॉज
हाँ, that's true.
it's I want to, like I said, I will discuss in the previous interview also, कि मेरे लिए ना पैसे इकट्ठा करना, उसको दूसरी जो बहुत वैल्यूएबल वाली चीजें उसमें डालना ज्यादा मायने रखता है than any other thing. Right now I want to nurture this aspect. मैं अपने young talent को जितने मैं पैसे कमाऊं मैं उनको देना चाहती हूँ because they're genuinely working hard. And Kunal was like, boss, I'm with you. Lalit sir, who's my director from Ishbaz, जिन्होंने हमारा जो cult show Ishbaz direct किया है, he collaborated with us. The person who's behind the camera, Raju Gauli sir, he collaborated with us. So सब कुछ होता गया. Singers आए, music बन गया,
And Zikr
acting
Tera
करवा
is
दी
here.
Yeah.
हमसे इसने.
Zikr Tera is here.
And Zikr
But you
Tera-
know, it's such a lovely. I was telling him also that the emotions, it's not just about the song, the emotions in the entire video is so
pure.
yeah, it's really gut wrenching because of course whatever happens now everybody has watched, so I can speak about
Yeah.
it. But was it the whole idea when you were actually writing the lyrics, because the
Ji.
lyrics also mean so much more
Ji,
when
ji,
you
ji.
look in the whole video and the lines match what they are going through basically,
जी, जी.
both the characters.
So basically story मेरे दिमाग में कुछ थी रफ कि मुझे ऐसा एक वीडियो चाहिए where the female lead will die in the end. तो मेरे दिमाग में स्टोरी, that's why when you lyrics आप ध्यान से सुनोगे तो लास्ट में वही है कि तेरी भाव में खुद को करूँ रिहा. So that's वो पॉइंट मुझे पता था कि क्लाइमैक्स मेरे दिमाग में रजिस्टर्ड है. लव स्टोरी कैसे बनाएंगे, that of course me, Lalit sir, everyone sat together, Kunal, एंड हमने एक डिजाइन किया कि लव स्टोरीज को ऐसे बनाएंगे.
I'll tell you a very interesting story. Karan और मैं मिले थे over a cup of coffee to discuss some other business venture only. इसको आया एक snippet उस time पे गाने का, and he was listening to it. I was like, this sounds good. Can I hear it? So I heard it. He's like, हम गाना लिख रहे हैं, बना रहे हैं, and this is जब गाना कुछ नहीं था, एक snippet था.
Yeah.
उस snippet को मैंने सुना and he told me Surbhi is acting in it. I asked him कि do you have someone as the male hero or the lead? He's like no. So I said why are you looking anywhere else? I'm on. Like Surbhi के साथ काम करना है and we've been wanting to work with each other for the longest time. You won't believe it. उस snippet पे हमने बाकी जो हम जिस लिए मिले थे वो तो बात की नहीं.
बस
वो तो बात हुई नहीं. उस snippet पे करण और मैंने बैठ के एक रफ स्टोरी लाइन बना ली थी कि जैसे गैंगस्टर होगा, लड़की ऐसी होगी. Obviously he added the elements and everyone added elements like she'll not be able to talk or anything. क्या look and feel होना चाहिए, ये वो हम पहले सोच रहे थे कि जॉन विक टाइप होके गोवा में शूट करेंगे. करते करते कश्मीर बन गया.
हम पूरा इंडिया घूमे.
मेरा प्रोड्यूसर बनी हूँ पहली बार. मैंने करण को बोला मैं तेरे को एक विला लोनावला में दिला देती हूँ.
ये तो
इसका बस चले तो मेरे बेटी के गार्डन में शूट करवा दे.
मैंने कहा चल हमारे
How have you become so conjuice? You are never.
I'm not conjuice.
You are just.
I am
now
actually,
become a.
I'm actually wise.
Then I had to fight
Green.
I
with
might
her.
sound I'm confused, but I'm wise.
You're greeny now.
No, more than that. Henny chhod do, greeny, whatever. But I'm more into now investments and I want to plan the future. When you get married, then you know the next step is going to be kids, right?
Yeah.
So you have to secure your life. So I've become wise. I've always been wise. You have to ask
But you
my
become
daddy.
wiser.
Yeah, I become wiser. I might sound miser.
That was such a Kunal joke.
I might sound like that, but I am not. I'm actually wise, and I think everybody should just know how to do this whole financial management.
I will come to you because I know none of it.
I also have my father who takes care. अरे
My
आज मैंने
brother.
इसके shares ले लिए. I think you've told me this.
Yeah, my brother.
अभी 2 दिन पहले किसी के shares लिए उन्होंने. So I think that way because production चलाना है तो आपको बहुत सारी चीजें सोचनी पड़ती है.
That's true.
But then Karan said, I am somebody whose name is Karan. Karan क्या होते हैं?
Danveer.
Danveer and all of that. So he said, I'm not going to compromise on my quality. It's my first song. That's going to set the.
I had to fight with her, like literally fight with her. She said कि यार करण मैं तो यहीं पे करा
Did you
देता हूँ.
ask Nayan what he wants to drink?
अरे आपसे
No, but I
बात
don't want
करना.
to get. Okay. Wow, love it.
तू कर और साइड उसकी ले. हर लॉयल्टीज दिखा दे.
But
नहीं, I'm
नहीं,
मजाक.
but उसकी तरफ दिखाना मतलब तुम्हारी तरफ
तरफ,
ऑटोमेटिक
हाँ.
हो गया.
So I had to fight with her. I told her कि अगर जिक्र तेरा मैं बनाऊंगा, these are my words, हाँ, तो कश्मीर में होगा नहीं तो फिर रहने दो, scrap कर दो उसको.
But you know, I think the feel comes only because it's
I
in
know that.
Kashmir. When he had sent me that teaser introducing
ji.
both the characters, right? I told him that I love just in the teaser how
Detailing
it,
है.
yeah, and how the whole feel of the, and I didn't even know about the story. He didn't tell me anything about the story.
Yeah.
I could only understand that it's gonna be a very soft, melodious song, and I thought it would be a love song, but it's basically a love, but a lot more to do with heartbreak.
If you
Yeah.
ask Karan loves who's schooling, he is a very huge Mahesh Bhatt, Vishesh
Yeah.
Films fan.
Big fan.
Big, huge. He
Like
loves,
Ashiki.
yeah.
Ah.
No, he loves all Mohit Suri films, Ek Villain and stuff like that. And
जहाँ पे
music,
मतलब
Malang-
एंड में हैप्पी एंडिंग नहीं होती है कपल्स के बीच.
music
हाँ,
inspiration.
हाँ.
Music inspiration.
That also.
That
No,
also.
even both video and audio both. My inspiration and schooling comes from Mahesh Bhatt films, the old ones. फिर तेरी कहानी याद आई and all of those films. So
He's
it's-
an old soul, man.
Yeah.
He's an
Yeah.
old soul, and he's all heart. Uski whatever thought comes out, na, it's not just practical or it should be there. He wants to tell a story.
That's
So that's
true,
why if you
yeah.
see Zikr Tera also, na,
It's like a musical film, yeah.
if you hear the soundtrack, it's about 3.5 minutes.
yeah, 3.5.
But he was very clear that I wanted to have a complete story.
Yeah.
And that is also coming from his old soul and his love
Connect
for
with that,
love
yeah.
for like Mahesh Sir's films
Right,
and
right.
Mohit Suri's
Yeah.
films.
Yeah.
And I wanted the story to establish every scene to be established. ठहराव के साथ हम story बोले, so that वो register हो दो के दिमाग
पता
में.
नहीं आजकल के गाने भी नो. He wanted something that's
Stays.
आप मुझे बताओ,
nostalgia.
Yeah.
आप मुझे बताओ आज भी if you want to
Qawwali
just
and
sit
stuff.
and relax and आप कौन से गाने सुनोगे? आप आज के सुनोगे या आपको चाहिए?
90s.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Listen, excuse me. I know
Yeah.
what songs you
Yeah.
played. I am
Yeah.
that
Yeah, you've
audience.
seen, yeah.
I'm that audience,
Yeah,
Baba.
and if you're
All
on a-
those.
या
Amazing
वही सब
90s
पुराने
songs.
गजल सुनते हैं हम, we become relaxed कि जब गजल सुनते हैं, तो मुझे वही era वापस लाना है सॉन्ग से. I don't want the trending songs और जो आज के
करेंगे.
No, that is also important.
important, but for me it's more soul touching कि मैं आज
Yeah.
सालों बाद भी ये गाना
Your
बजाऊंगा.
heart is
जिक्र
there.
yeah it's there.
But tell me something. Your character reminds me of, and he had told me this, so
Yeah.
I can ask you. Your character reminds me of Kajol from Fana.
Yeah, that was
That-
also his big inspiration.
The
Yes,
shairis
he told you
and all of that.
Shairis and stuff.
And also the whole fact that she cannot speak, right?
Yeah.
So did you learn the sign language? How did you pull it off? Because there will be, and Kajol's boots. I think Fana was Fana because of Kajol.
Kajol.
I love Amritsar, but that movie belonged to Kajol without a
Absolutely.
doubt.
Yeah, it did.
So Nayan, I don't think you know this, but my first ever TV show, Kabul Hai, where I was a parallel lead. Her character was Haya. She was deaf and mute in that show. It was on Zee TV. So the inspiration also comes from Haya. So I had to. So this is a very important thing for actors who are watching this. That I was Haya when I was nothing. Okay. सुरभि चांदना क्या थी, कौन थी, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता था. मेरा पहला शो था वो. प्रॉपर पैरेलल लीड है. बाकी कैरेक्टर्स को तो छोड़ दो जो मैंने छोटा मोटा काम किया है. छोटा क्या काम होता है. उसमें मुझे डेफ एंड म्यूट, पहला ही शो जो एक प्रॉपर पैरेलल लीड की तरह मुझे शो दिया गया, उसमें मेरे को डेफ एंड म्यूट बना दिया है. आप बताओ क्या कैसे करेगा ये इंसान. और ललित जी वाज अगेन द डायरेक्टर इन दैट शो. इट वाज गुलखांड शो, जी टीवी. दिस इज मेनी इयर्स बैक. एंड वहां पे हमने बेसिक साइन लैंग्वेज सीख ली थी. थैंक यू ये वो फॉर द ऑडियंस. और मैं उसमें व्यूज देती थी. तो मैं ये सब साइन लैंग्वेज अपने हिसाब से कुछ भी करती थी, लाइक नॉट द रियल साइन लैंग्वेज, सॉरी, बट वो क्या है, हमें टीवी ऑडियंस के लिए बना रहे थे ना, तो रिलेटेबल बना. तो मैंने उसकी काफी चीजें हया की ली हैं. अब क्या होता है, अब आप बन जाते हो, आप 3-4 शोज कर लेते हो, फिर आप बन जाते हो सक्सेसफुल. अब आपको लगता है कि आपको पूरी एक्टिंग आती है. तो मुझे जब ललित सर और करण इस मीटिंग में मिली कि अब आपको रेप्लिकेट करना है वो हया जो एकदम रॉ थी, जिसको मैंने यूज्ड टू गो ऑन सेट ऑफ कबूल है, मुझे बेस क्या होता है, मेकअप क्या होता है, लाइटिंग क्या होता है, कहाँ खड़ा होना है, वो सब भी नहीं पता होता था. तो मैंने, और अब आज मुझे सब पता है कि मुझे मालूम है मेरा ये प्रोफाइल है, ये वो. दो आई डोंट, व्हेन आई एम ऑन सेट आई डोंट फॉलो ऑल दोस स्टूपिड थिंग्स, बट आपको पता है इंटरनली, तो आप सब जानते हो, यू आर अवेयर एज एन एक्टर. उस टाइम पे आप सब करते हो बिकॉज आपको डायरेक्टर कह रहा है सब. अब मुझे बोले वो इनोसेंस कैसे लाएगी तू, अब तो तू 3-4 शोज कर चुकी है, अब तो तू Amazon मिनी पे आ गई, अब तो ये कर चुकी है, वो तो प्रोड्यूसर बन गया. हाउ विल यू गेट दैट इनोसेंस बैक?
This was the discussion I had with Lalit sir also, because मेरी एक वो थी कि मुझे वो कबूल है वाली हया वापस चाहिए. और मैंने ललित सर को पहले ही बोला था कि माय इंस्पिरेशन ऑफ दिस कैरेक्टर कम्स फ्रॉम देयर ओनली. आपके ही कैरेक्टर से मैं ये ले रहा हूँ. सो ही इज लाइक कि करण बहुत डिफिकल्ट है वो अचीव करना, बिकॉज चांदना ने अभी दुनिया देख ली है.
सीधे बोल दिया.
एंड
He
इवन
knows
फॉर द
मेरा तो
सेम
मुंह
विद
बंद
कुणाल
नहीं होता
आल्सो.
ना.
सेम विद कुणाल आल्सो. ही सेड कि कुणाल एंड चांदना ने पूरी दुनिया देख ली है अभी, अब उनको वापस हमें कंट्रोल सी डिलीट मार के वापस उनको वहां पे लाना
कैसे
है.
करे, एक्टर को कंट्रोल सी डिलीट नहीं होता. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
बट देन दे
आई थिंक बट वी डिड इट
Yeah.
ओके जॉब, आई फील.
You
मॉडेस्टी ना. हाँ, लिसन, बट
killing your
this is
honesty
also
for the
very
sake
funny.
of modesty, my
Oh
friend.
my god, sorry. Okay. But the funniest is they told me to do breath work at home. How does one do breath work? 10 minutes I'm doing in the drawing room. I just brushed my teeth. I've not showered. I'm just sitting near the window. बाहर ऑफिस
हाँ, मैं बाहर आया एंड देन आई सी सुरभि
बिल्डिंग बन रही है,
सामने बिल्डिंग बन रही है और सुरभि ऐसे बैठी वहां पे.
breath
अरे दीदी व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? शी लाइक मेडिटेट कर रही हूं. मैं बोला यहाँ मेड्स आर वर्किंग, इतना उजाला है, कोई पर्दे नहीं लगा, कोई म्यूजिक नहीं है, आप मेडिटेट कैसे कर रहे हो और नहाए नहीं हो? आई वाज लाइक ये कौन सा मेडिटेशन हुआ?
रूल नहीं है नहाने वाला. रूल तो करंट वी कैन जस्ट एक्सक्लूड.
But
Without showering also यार, ये कौन सा रूल है? ठीक है. तो
Were you
अपनी
meditating?
आवाज में कैसे मेडिटेट कर लिया?
That's what
मतलब
I was
आप
saying.
तो मतलब
सामने कंस्ट्रक्शन
मेरे विंडोज बंद थे और साइड में हेल्प का काम चल रहा था किचन में. दीदी अभी क्या बनाना है? दीदी में कुछ बचता है. मैं ऐसे करती हूँ, इनहेल एक्सहेल. नहीं होता. I think it's very difficult in this today's time. You need like a very closed environment, and it's funny, but yeah. But on set, I was very serious. Ask the people. I have not given them even BTS pictures. I said, do job. I'm in my mood. And also, yeah, I think it's just वो माहौल इतना खूबसूरत था ना श्रीनगर का.
You know, I want to ask both of you this because
I have only spoken now.
no,
Really
recently I spoke to Hina Khan a few weeks before she got diagnosed, and she told the world. And there we were talking about TV actors and the kind of labels that TV actors have to deal with for the longest time, right? It is unfortunate today we are in a world of change where they don't call, like Wikipedia page पे Indian actor है who predominantly works in these many avenues or these many languages, ऐसा आता है. But वो moth eaten morality और जो conditioning है ना कि एक TV actor, TV as a medium is always put down, it's put below, right? No matter how many hours of hard work you have to put, no matter how many no breaks you take, no break days basically, do you feel that should change? How many times have you heard that ki TV actor, does this annoy you? Also the fact, because इसी सवाल के साथ मैं पूछूंगा, there are so many times Hina has also said that because she's a TV actor, she's got judged at Cannes, right?
Yeah.
That everybody saw, and then nobody was willing to give her clothes,
Yeah.
because
Quite
she
common.
was
Yeah. For my wedding also, there were cases where, like I said, that I didn't want to spend any money on the outfit because मुझे पता है उसको मैं use नहीं करूँगी बाद में वापस, right? तो मुझे, if I wanted to associate with some bigger designers, possibly नहीं था. What she said is totally, we're still fighting that. This battle is, I don't know how we're going to overcome this, because I am going to be very honest, I'm forced to take a little break from television so that if I'm not seen so much, I am hoping that I might get work on web, which is true. And
I
they
second
say,
that. I second
yeah,
that.
and they say, right, you just need to take a little sabbatical, just be away from the whole limelight. क्यों? आप एक बार टेस्ट तो करने के लिए बुलाओ, ठीक है? If we fail that test, you have full right to not or take me as a part of your web show or web series. At least call me for an audition. Yeah, you've seen my work and you might know who सुरभि चांदना है. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि नहीं आपको पता ही नहीं होगा यार कि हम कभी 6-8 साल में दिखे ही नहीं. एक बार आपको लगता है कि she might just fit the bill or Kunal Jaising might fit the bill, it will just call us to test.
Yeah.
And then you pass, fail us is totally
You know,
your
I've
prerogative.
actually been through a point where, so like how these guys are producers, one. So let's.
अब
I
तो
have
अपने
other
production
friends.
खोलना पड़ रहा है कि हम ही खुद web show बनाएं.
I have friends who have their own production and they're working with the big web channels. They're not doing their shows, but they're doing their YouTubes and the teasers and trailers and all this. So when they know people and then they are approaching them and pitching, okay, for XYZ OTT platform, there's a YouTube channel for that also. We're thinking of this person. They are out and out in the meeting saying that no TV actor, no TV director, no TV cameraman, no TV, no on any front. The point is, I was doing Dil Bole Oberoi. At that time, I had an opportunity to work with Rahul Dev, veteran film actor. He was opposite me. I was very nervous. And obviously, when you're sitting, you have conversation. He told me, Kunal, do you realize the camera hours that you people have, nobody in the film industry also
Absolutely.
has. On a
And
daily
also the
basis.
reach, yeah, the reach.
Absolutely.
Let's be honest.
How much
Films
camera
come
hours?
on TV shows to
Yeah.
promote their shows.
Camera hours is that stayed so much because the amount, like script, कई बार ऐसा होता है script अभी आई है and you have to be in 10 minutes ready to go and do your rehearsal. That kind of speed, that kind of approach.
I agree.
So I mean, that mindset has to change.
No, but I kind of feel the only thing one actor can do is utilize this whole little being away by doing workshops.
True.
By watching content. You क्या बोलते हो, आप अपनी skills को क्या करते हो, finishing skills या furnish करते हो,
Polishing is
वो करो और अपने पे और अपनी fitness पे और अपने जो भी aspects हैं of being a good actor उस पे ध्यान दो और उसको अब क्या है ना वो उस conversations को 50 लोग करेंगे, change तो दिख नहीं रहा है, तो अगर change नहीं आ रहा है तो आप अपने में ही जो उसको accept करके ना चीजों पे work करना शुरू कर दो. That's all you can do. And reach out to people.
That's true.
That's what you can do.
Yeah.
And just maybe say, sir or ma'am, I would really like to come and test for something. And I've sent out emails.
Yeah.
I've got some very basic pictures also done. This is really, you see my inbox. How do I name people? I've named, there are everybody, because मुझे तो काम करना है, अच्छा काम करना है. And and I have no regret. क्या regret तो है ही नहीं, वो छोड़ दो. I'm so proud to be a TV actor. I don't think what we've achieved in what fan base or fandom or love or मैं रोड पे जाती हूँ, लोग मुझे पहचानते हैं, मतलब it's so much love.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of happy and I'm going to just work on myself.
And also the
One has to.
dedication as TV actors, day in and day
Yeah.
out, going on set 7 days, no vacations, at times nothing, and you know there are times you're shooting cut to cut. The hard work and discipline that a TV actor can get, not a lot of people have that opportunity to gain that experience.
Yeah, that's exactly what Hina also said. That you know we work for 18 hours in a day, and we know exactly where to stand. We know our cues. We know our lights. So
Absolutely.
it's you're not taking a Nausicaa to your
सही में,
to your
सही बात.
project, right?
So,
But-
yeah,
but
कपड़े
you know what
design होना
happens,
ये सब common है ना. हाँ.
But you know, Nan, what happens? I have a little different perspective. ये जो discussion है ना, ये इसीलिए होता है जब एक aspiration होता है ना that I want to get to films or I want to do Bollywood and stuff like that. तो जब अपने अपने डिपार्टमेंट में when they are satisfied कि नहीं I'll stick to TV only. आप देखो TV actors बोलो कि खाली TV में रहेंगे, तो अल्टीमेटली वो हायरार्की बढ़ेगी ही नहीं.
True.
कि टीवी एक्टर्स को वहां जंप करना है, यहाँ तो दे आर कमिंग हियर ना, तो लेट अस थोड़ा सा सो वो
Warm up
एक
to them.
हाँ सो लेट टीवी एक्टर जस्ट देन टीवी एक्टर्स बोलेंगे वे कंटेंट वी डोंट गेट टू वेब और बॉलीवुड, तो वो रहेगा ही नहीं डिफरेंस, यहाँ ये डिबेट रहेगी ही नहीं
That's
नहीं
also
बेबी,
true.
बट हम तो वोकल है ना, हम तो बोलते हैं.
कि हमें जाना है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
दैट इज व्हाई देयर इज अ हायरार्की, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम
Yeah.
सेइंग. जब आप बोलोगे ना नहीं
He's
आई वांट टू
saying
जस्ट
is
स्टिक
that
टू टीवी.
people who stepped into OTT directly or stepped into films directly, they are content over
Yeah.
there. So when TV actors,
Want
as
to
TV
take that
actors,
jump.
we want to take a plunge. They don't want to take a plunge.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So that's
They started
the-
off only waiting. What we are doing right now, they did that probably for a long time.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
What he's
I
saying
agree.
makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
As producer, then what is the next thing that you're planning to do?
Launch TV actors on OTT.
That would be amazing. But he's looking for stories. That's what he told me.
Yeah.
I am for sure. And I think my main idea since the beginning that we discussed was to produce good short films and to also venture into web later. So this music,
that's a
Yeah, that's a
much later
far-fetched
stage.
thing,
वो
but-
तो अभी आगे करेंगे, पहले म्यूजिक पे काम करना, because
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
his first love. And with him, I call him jukebox. आप कोई भी पिक्चर का नाम बोलो, उसका गाना बताएगा. ये देखो जैसे होता है ना, नाच जमुरे नाच, नाच में आप उसको बोले चल गाना बता,
पति
ये
से
बता,
बंदर बना दिया.
ये वाला गाना बता. He'll know the full song, he'll know lyrics, he'll know everything.
and the story behind that song also.
And you are completely opposite
I am,
because
but I don't watch. I watch films, but मुझे पिक्चर जो कल देख के याद ही नहीं है. मैं उस दिन एक oh by the way, मैं उस दिन एक बहुत अच्छा play
Ghajini,
देख के आई.
female Ghajini.
हाँ, that I am. I will accept. Yeah.
हाँ, बट आपने कहा कि आपने फ्यूचर के बारे में भी सोचा है.
क्या?
तो यही जो आपने बोला ना कि फ्यूचर के बारे में
क्या
सोचना है,
जैसे?
तो आई मेट योर नेफ्यू.
Oh my God!
He's so tiny. मुझे तो डर लग गया.
You
And
saw him
Pranav
now?
is like, आज मैं तेरा डर दूर करके रहूंगी.
Did you?
And I'm
Did
like,
you? hold-
no.
you
I
put
said
it-
I'll come home and I'll sit and I'll do
then
it
I'll take
because
him.
मुझे डर लगता है. Is there a now you're on Masi duty, but
So-
do you feel like
No, I
you
have
will-
no time otherwise, na. No time to. He looks into my eye. I'm hoping he'll say something romantic. It turns out to be. उसका हमने वो पैसा क्लियर करना है, आज ये पेपर साइन करना है, कल इसको मीटिंग में जाना है, आज मेरा ये जैमिंग सेशन है. तो ऐसे हम देखते हैं ऐसे आंखों से और वो बात ही कुछ और होती है, तो भूल जाओ.
But जब last time हम मिले थे,
जी, जी.
you were like a few weeks, a few months into marriage. Now there have been many
5
months.
months.
I want to know, do you see any difference in her?
No, I
Staying
think
with her.
I
Have
to
your
keep
habits changed? Has her habits changed? Any of them?
nothing
I've lost
major.
weight. Clearly, he's not keeping me happy.
What rubbish!
I'm just.
You know na how they're gonna cut everything.
Yeah.
आगे से they're gonna cut everything. पीछे से they'll like, oh my
ये तो
God!
मेरा
मैं-
दिल-
Surbi Channa
I-
said
I
husband
can
is not keeping her
visualize the
happy.
caption.
I'm giving her
ये
like-
तो ये तो मेरा दिल जानता है.
Caption आ गया.
हाँ,
Clearly,
आ
he's not
गया,
keeping
यही
me
आएगा.
happy.
You feed off each other's energies and habits and etc. So Karan is very healthy, and I have become. People are giving me compliments that I've lost a lot of weight, which I kind of feel is really good because I love like being in shape. Karan's got that in my life. We're eating healthy. Today we've barely eaten anything since morning. We carried our lunches together. So उसका lunch साबुदाना खिचड़ी आया है, मेरा lunch आया है. So we're on this path where we want a nice, good, healthy lifestyle.
And what about you?
For me, nothing major. I mean, she keeps me very.
Happy.
I'm very happy, to of course, but I'm very careless by nature. I mean, I'm very carefree, not careless, but carefree. तो मुझे हाँ कुछ बोलेंगे ना हाँ हो जाएगा, don't worry, हो जाएगा. But she keeps me like नहीं अभी करना है.
On toes.
तो वो
हाँ,
एक
वही मैं
अच्छी.
सोचूं, ये उल्टा होता है. हाँ, वही मैं सोचूं कि he is talking about you like that. That cannot be.
नहीं. So she's very alert all the time. She gets everything done properly घर में भी. So that is one thing that's changed in me.
She's hyper also, no, little.
Yeah.
She's
Kunal,
hyper.
agree.
Hyper. हाँ.
But now I'm going to ask you the last question that it also speaks about heartbreak in a lot of ways, right? इनके तो heartbreak तो बचपन से प्यार में है, इनका
ऐसा
क्या
नहीं,
है?
उससे पहले heartbreak हुआ है मेरा. Somebody
अच्छा?
cheated on me. It's happened to me. Yeah, I was young. I was in college.
Same.
And
Oh,
this
then-
happened to him also, by the way. He was in London.
Yeah.
So then I have to ask.
Mine was
all
international
three of
cheating.
International cheating. अच्छा.
You got cheated on.
Yeah.
हाँ.
No, but now I'm going to ask you that how do you deal with heartbreaks and what happened? जब बोल ही दिया तो चालू कीजिए.
Nothing. Sad songs.
That's why.
I kind of feel, that's right. But I kind of feel that I'm quite practical in life. It took me a while, and I don't know, Karan was meant to be in my life, and this happened. And also for me, the trust and loyalty matters big time.
That's
and
true.
like,
I know.
I kind of feel that वो आपको कल जाके मुझसे प्यार थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा ना, प्लीज बी वोकल अबाउट इट एंड टेल मी कि मुझे थोड़ी सी फीलिंग्स कम लग रही हैं. We'll sit, we'll discuss, we'll try sorting it out. मुझे ये नहीं एक दिन खबर आनी चाहिए कि अच्छा वो उसके साथ पाया गया. So मेरे लिए हार्ट ब्रेक डील करना ऐसा, and then I know how to cut off. Then I get very practical and say नहीं. Took a while, took about 4-5 months. और ये आपको एक ये भी होता है ना कॉम्प्लेक्स कि मेरे साथ किया.
वो ज्यादा होता है.
वो ज्यादा होता है नॉर्मल है. मेरे को देख के किसी और के साथ. So वो फील हुआ था, and then I overcame, and then
Cut to Karan came.
and Karan
enters.
happened to be happened in my life. Karan happened in my life, and I think we're both Virgos. We're 2 days apart, and we have same ideologies कि भैया trust और loyalty. तो मैंने इतने shows कर लिए, मैं इतना घूमी, मैंने इतना party किया इतने सालों, पर मुझे पता था I have to come back home to him.
How nice. What about you?
Yeah, I've had a lot of heartbreaks. Yeah. I was a person, I've always worn my heart on my sleeve. तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि कॉलेज टाइम एंड ऑल दिस थिंग मुझे ऐसे प्यार हो गया. और मेरा
कुनाल
प्यार
को मुझसे भी प्यार हो गया था.
प्यार इन द सेंस के मेरे लिए होता था
मोहब्बत इश्क.
मोहब्बत इश्क नहीं, आई वुड सी अ फ्यूचर.
अच्छा, okay.
And there were times when
From
girls
Ali from Doom.
didn't want that future, or they were just looking for a fun time. पर मेरा हो जाता था यार मुझे तो प्यार हो गया यार, अगर करना है तो फिर there has to be a journey and an eventuality to this. I can't just be era gera nattu gera and do anything. So उस चक्कर में बहुत बार ये हो जाता था कि I don't know what, I mean usually I think girls like when there's attention on them and somebody is thinking about them so much. After a point the girl used to be like अरे यार, then I started realizing कि जब ज्यादा भी देते हो ना तो वो आप taken for granted कहीं ना कहीं हो जाते हो. Because जो आप बोलो, जैसे बोलो, my priority is you will be the center of my attention, you will be the center around which my day will revolve. Then the chase somewhere dies for the girl. And this is something, I'm not saying this because this is a girl who gave me a reason for breaking up with me, saying that Kunal, you're so good to me, there's no fight, there's nothing, there's no chase. I think, what do you want me to run a marathon? Then you run behind me? What
Listen,
is it?
can I just tell you this, that I read those Instagram posts, right, where they say that the worst thing that I was told, and they'll say ki this, that, all those comments. I think the worst thing that has been told to me multiple times, not even like dating, like normally getting to know each other, and oh, we can't be together because you are so nice, I don't want to break your heart. I'm like, this is a problem.
Yeah.
But this is a problem. Let me be very honest.
Imagine somebody's breaking up with you, telling you there's
You're
no
too
chase,
nice.
yaar. You're nice to me. You listen to me. You pick me up. You drop me. You take me out.
और क्या
This,
चाहिए?
that. नहीं, there's no chase. There's nothing to
Spice है
तो
क्या?
मैंने बोला ये फिर मेरे को बदलना चाहिए.
No, मुझे एक बहुत करीबी दोस्त ने बीच में बोला था. So when I had some kind of a problem in my life, and I told him that this has happened to me, like, yeah, I never told you this, but you are suffocating in a relationship, and in a relationship means in every relationship, friendship, and all, you're too much loving, you give too much. And I'm like,
Is
है?
it bad?
So मैंने क्या किया? मैंने 2 महीने उससे बात ही नहीं.
Cut off किया ऐसा वाला? इतना गंदा idea.
And then 2 महीने के बाद बोलता है कि you've changed. I said, why? I was suffocating. I stopped suffocating you.
Yeah.
Like I'm talking about a close
Understood.
friend, and they were like, I'm suffocating in friendship. And my sister stays with me. Like my college buddy was my sister. So now whenever she has to pull my
I
leg,
know.
she'll be like, Nayan, you're very suffocating. It's crazy.
Listen,
Yeah, but you know,
you
every
value.
heartbreak also teaches you. No? Like
That's
it
true.
taught me to kind of give myself more self-respect
That's
and
true.
give the person some space to deal with things on their own and not just be the solution or try to be the solution for everything for them.
Yeah.
That helped me grow. And then Bharti came to my life. She's turned me around 180 degrees. She's
What an
made me into
angel.
a man.
Yeah.
She's
From a
lovely.
boy,
Just lovely.
you met her.
Yeah.
From a
She's
boy, she
lovely.
made me into a man.
Yeah.
You still have
And-
to speak to her, Nayan. She's too good to be true. She's such a nice
I-
girl.
But I hope that जिनके साथ भी ऐसा हो,
Touch wood,
आप
touch
लोगों को
wood.
तो मिल चुका है. But
हाँ,
you know,
हाँ, don't
worry,
समझदार
don't
को
worry.
इशारा ही काफी है.
हाँ.
DM रिश्ता से चले.
He's available.
Very much.
Like
Only for night
Saif sir
days.
said, na, you have money, take it.
My mother, I think what I have learned from my heartbreak is that अब जो भी होगा बात चालू होगी तभी मेरी मम्मी को फोटो पे चला जाएगा और मैं बोलूंगा कि इससे बात हो रही है बता दो कैसे.
Yeah,
Papa.
I know.
But
They've
what
heard
about your
stories.
heartbreak then?
तो मेरा तो हार्ट ब्रेक का एक ही सोल्यूशन है, सैड सॉन्ग्स, एंड आई एंजॉय दोस फेजेस आल्सो. आई यूज्ड टू व्हेन आई वाज अ किड. सो
So you used to drive the girl away or what?
नहीं,
ये लोग
नहीं.
गाने सुनने.
मेरे हार्ट सो मेरे हार्ट ब्रेक्स बहुत कम हुए हैं, वेरी ऑनेस्टली, एंड मेरी तरफ से ज्यादा हुए हैं. दैट
Oh.
हाँ, वैसे
Oh.
वैसे वाला सिचुएशन ज्यादा आया
वो
है
तो बचपन में भी.
बचपन में. और हम इन सारी चीजों से बहुत एलियन है बिकॉज वेरी अर्ली वी फाउंड ईच
That's what I said. That's what I said.
They're fossils.
Yeah.
अदर.
So जब सबसे लास्ट ग्रुप में शादी हमारी हुई थी. वही जैसे
You know, in our group, only
You are
Bhavna and I are
I
left.
know that.
And I can't be the last
You-
one. I
I
have to
don't-
beat Bhavna to that at least.
हो जाएगा.
If I don't,
देख रहे हैं सब.
मतलब,
हाँ, हो
is
जाएगा.
that yes? Thank you so much again. Please DM Rishta. But I want to say that you know that you all mean a lot to me.
I know. So do
And-
you.
Yes,
You
I know
know
that
that.
too. I know that. Everything that you would do will have a lot of heart from your side and will have a lot of heart from my side as well. So is the song. It's full of heart and emotions, and I hope that this is the beginning to many, many, many more. And yes, looking forward to many, many more fun conversations.
और मुझे ऐसा लगा था आज मेरा और तेरा इंटरव्यू चल रहा है, बेचारे वो दोनों ना कुछ barely दे रहे हैं. अब उसके लिए भी people are going to say कितना बात करती है यार.
You, मैं रखने वाला ये पता है ना.
तू और मरवा देना.
Hola! Your dream vacation to Thailand starts from 19,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.